Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today my topic is letter writing for the students of class 9th and 10th. I will explain in detail letters, formal and informal letters. Dear students, as we all know that there are two types of letters. Although there are various types of letters, but there are two main types of letters, formal letters and informal letters. Formal letters are also called as official letters and informal letters are called personal letters. फॉर्मल लेटर्स को उर्दू में हम दफ्तरी खतूत कहते हैं और इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स को हम उर्दू में निजी या जाती खतूत कहते हैं. Now let's learn what are the uses of these letters. Formal letters and informal letters are very important. They play an important role in our life because these formal and informal letters act as one of the means of communication. Dear students, when the modern means of communications were not invented or discovered, letter was the main or chief means of communication. Dear students, we send formal letters to offices and officials. For example, editors of newspapers, police officials, banks, schools, and other important officers. We send informal letters to our parents, friends, relatives, and other non-officials. अब हमने ये जान लिया है कि जो फॉर्मल लेटर्स हैं, जिनको हम ऑफिशियल लेटर्स भी कहते हैं या दफ्तरी खतूत कहते हैं, ये हम ऑफिसर्स को लिखते हैं. और जो इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स निजी या जाती खतूत होते हैं, वो हम अपने वालिदैन को, अपने दोस्तों को, अपने रिश्तेदारों को या दूसरे लोगों को भेजते हैं. Now let's learn the most important thing, that is format of a letter. Write the sender's address on left top. Sender's address. Now leave some space and here mention the date. After that, leave another space and write receiver's address. After that, write the subject matter. Subject. And after that, leave some space and mention or write salutation. Salutation means greetings. Here you must remember one thing. अगर आपको जेंडर का अंदाजा नहीं है तो वहां पे आपको सर ही लिखना है. After that, leave some space and write the body of the letter. Here remember one thing, write the body of the letter in 3 paragraphs. After the salutation, after the body, write the closing note. And after closing note, there is signature. Signature means your signature, your name, and your designation. Let's learn some more about the body of a formal letter. The body of a formal letter must be comprised of 3 to 5 paragraphs. In first paragraph, introduce yourself and mention the problem in brief. Or we can say that in first paragraph, mention why you are writing the letter. In second paragraph, write the main content in detail. Write in detail your problems and write in detail why you are writing the letter. In third and last paragraph, conclude your letter with suggestions, requests, so on. Now let's learn the format of an informal letter. It's very simple. Write the address on left top. Here leave some space and mention the date. After that, write the salutation. After salutation, write the body of the letter, and at the end of the letter, mention your name and signature. Informal letter has very simple structure or format than formal letters. Types. Here are some of them. First one is letter to the editor. Number 2, letter to the government. Letter to the principal. Business letters. Invitation letters. Appointment letter. Inquiry letter. Resignation letter. Leave application. These are some types of formal letters. फॉर्मल लेटर्स और इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स को कैसे लिखा जाता है मैं आपको जरूर सिखाऊंगा अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. सो स्टे कनेक्टेड, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. खुदा हाफिज.